Alright, you will be a kwaba and yawada and from Asante Kotoko, a training grounds, AG, a sports complex, as usual, and then in Yan in TSA Asante Kotoko, and so a bit I training. Answer what's here inside Kotoko and so networking on the catch home says after Asante Kotoko, Ecopio Mensia, that's a time no enquire, not catching it to be training, but mama, my catch and a yawade. I will bet my Abba train before say Timno, almost a bit to not for pre-season, almost so etmaco wedding. I walk away Amma and your man so etma because anyone at Timno, a copy all mensia, almost so edit trophy presentation at a cocoa tour so at a cultural Kora, or Pem so Emma near my day, and so etim Elco Swabra. Now I'm on the Presser Cup and the Toyota Cup, no, and so etim count and so etim Elcoye. Now an opinion to say Timno. And so etim about training let's say quick enough for the biano you team a giant bar na ye dey ni eba be he sene ampa anasa nya no company ampa ba no na Asante Kotoko team no and so etim eye training na ye dey eno wasem e dey emam e wo dwumade ne so betimi a confirm e dey ma wo say ene about 8 o'clock ana team no e be do training about 8 o'clock ana team no e be do training about 8:30 ana team almost start almost training pe ema ni ma so dey and so etime course so about 9:34 na team no omotimi awie mu training 9:34 na team no etimi awie training a lot and etimi akoso na bi omnie na me so sem fan free injury situation yenim say Andrew Sinti manu wepra yenim say Jimano Kote epra Isaac Minta epra na pra ba ko na oka injury situation no answer omuye two already someone to do and Joseph Abro na enemetima confirm e dey ma say good news and say Abrante finish someone to do our full training e dey ma Asante Kotoko ene who someone to do and Asante Kotoko physical trainer who someone to do so we individual training the team start training pep no now branch fence someone to do a part of a team amuye training ene edema kalabo no someone to do edie no Joseph Abro ene ye ba Asante Kotoko training grounds ye hu branch fence Joseph Abro on say na me catch romo say Abro entime mpiem e wo menhia me cheche ni nsem e de tremo due to the trust issues then wasan so anya yie na mame confirm enfama we say and Joseph Abro and so am training grounds na even political about the training and Joseph absent wama another player one team and Johnny team and we hu menhia and then about training grounds ye hu no na a bunch of friends say Lord Amua and the meeting I confirm on this channel Edema will say about a friend say Lord Amua and about training grounds and also me ama it's two players I mean say I'm ye ka omoye players omo join team already no and the players in ama Bob Joseph Abro then about a friend say Lord Amua di and so me the actual with the injury situation the at the amount good news and say Abrante your friend say someone to do a returning and no send it no na ye omnie ye ba training grounds and me timi a confirm e dey ma wo say players ya omo ba training aye ni ani ehu omo no omo din ana me de ebe ma wi and goalkeeper no ye omnie goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara and ye hu no training Meti message na so catch was Mohamed Kamara a full training session at the Asante Kotoko. Mohamed Kamara a full training session at the Asante Kotoko ne. 2. Anti friend say Chim Benjamin. Meti me a confirm at the amount say and Chim Benjamin. Etimi a full training session and so at the Asante Kotoko. Full training session at the Asante Kotoko. Na di omnie Haruna Aziz Dari oni goalkeeper fan se Fatao fa Asaish eto mudi tweme meba ada kan sama chiro goalkeeper Haruna Dari oni abrote fan se Fatao me se fa Asaish eto mudi tweme meba kan sama chiro na di omunie ene abrote fan se Set Kojo ene Set Kojo e full training ade mametema Set Kojo e full training ade Asante Kotoko club no Samba Onel e full training ade Asante Kotoko club no misitio Samba Onel e full training anso ade Asante Kotoko club no Mr. So do hen e youth team no senior team training no ana mo ebe to so obo for any game omo ne aye Saint Hubert Seminary Senior High School ana ebo youth team no we aye first game for Hamza our Asante Kotoko training grounds inte ni bi na ho e o machi a kama no enso eda so no de ma Kotoko proper mechi senior team no so Michael Sifa abante fan se Michael Sifa and the Mike enso etim e full training enso ade Asante Kotoko Michael Sifa and the Mike etim e full training enso ade Asante Kotoko Zakaria Fuseni and Zakaria Fuseni enso etim e full training enso ade Metema yes Francis Aqua and Francis enso etim e full training enso de Asante Kotoko meto bi na mi ni mako dia ma Francis Aqua enso etim e full training enso ade Asante Kotoko Patrick Asiedu and Patrick Asiedu enso e full training enso de Metema yes Patrick Asiedu e full training ade Metema Shaibu Abubakar metima confirm on this channel e dey ma say ene team ni so e bo modern e ba Shaibu enso e full training enso e dey Metema anya nya sam ketwa Joseph Amua ene Joseph enso etim e full training enso de Asante Kotoko Joseph Amua etim e full training enso e dey Asante Kotoko a jade eno wasem e ma munafe motima wo se ne komo no enso esitie mame fatu je enfama wo se only team player on Asante Kotoko team e full training ene Jordan Emisa he answer your training all right then a team player or team any team training I brought first Jordan Emisa on the only team player on the team full training na yadi enu wasem de emam e wodwuma de so Hubert Joe and Hubert answer a team full training Hubert Joe answer a team full training at the Asante Kotoko solid one and if you na nya sam ketwa na no hyepa I de ho common dey enso e de emam enso e wodwuma de so na me fa to ja enfo mo say Hilary Lord Adabo and Lord enso e full training e de Asante Kotoko Baba Yaya enso etim e full training enso e de Asante Kotoko a ye de eno wasem e de emam enso e wodwuma de so nya sam ketwa Inusa Adams and Inusa enso etimi bomodin etimi e full training enso e de Metema and next Thursday wa ba team no omotima resume a ye de ehon komare enso e de emam ne de to fom boko na onsa so etimi aka o chefa ye de ehon komo e tuja and Johnson upon and Johnson enso etimi e bomodin etimi e full training na yede eno komo ede emam na fe motima wo se ne hon komo no enso esiti e wo dwuma ye Philip Amo Asijo Makatro ene boy no enso etimi e full training yede ehon komo enso ede emam e wo dwuma de ne so na de omu ne ene place me do mu di ebetu je omontim anye training after Asante Kotoko ene place me do mu di ebetu je omontin anye training amfa maboku a ye fe ne se eya Asante Kotoko. 1 aya jimanu enchi 1 aya bate fe ne se jimanu enchi ene jima entimi anye training amfa makotoko not dag out. 2 aya bate fe ne se Kwame Poku Beye ene beye enso entimi anye training amfa makotoko enyo no so ete dag out. Abante fe ne se Elvis Cheba for Awuche ene Elvis enso entimi anye training amfa Asante Kotoko. Albert Amoa se mabo jimono enchi mabo Kwame Poku mabo Elvis Cheba for Awuche Albert Amoa enso e player one team anye training amfa Asante Kotoko. Ase 2 lucky person me catch yourself as serious eto na meba. Aziz Haruna Dari metimi a confirm e de ma Aziz Haruna Dari entimi anye training e Aziz Haruna Dari wantimi anye training amfa Asante Kotoko. The next goalkeeper aya branch fence Fatao metima confirm so the amount so on so entimi anye training entimi goalkeeper so me trainer Kamara and Chim. Then Aziz and Fatao entimi anye training no me na ete dag out entimi e send it no ti players no entimi anye training no omo entimi amba injury situation injury one wetima return no metima confirm it on this channel. So don't forget so be subscribe na for wetima dey won so wetima share na de omunie ene you be another player e Asante Kotoko training grounds ene you be another player e Asante Kotoko omu training grounds na metimi a confirm e de ama wo say player no o new player na the position obo be we free e ba ye no anyimre share ye de bebrew me say the new player yani abono so e Asante Kotoko training grounds me say be we free ba ye the position obono anyimre share e exclusive no e de ebrew na me boy no time we training video no e training e dey exclusive no so no yes time Abrante e we training no na o free Kotoko picture no enso ti maba no ana me patcho video e dey exclusive no so no player make no wasa boni me say ye be kan wasa na dey cho na nyumre shi me be free ba ye so anu wo shi ene nkoba na Abrante di e dey ma ye no ye dey be ma en club ko si aka o dey ba ye kada no shi bruta ene so we say o piapia kama ene na o piapia ni piapia no na no wo shi pa enteno e se na che no Prince Opoku Agyeman ene ye wo no Prince Opoku Agyeman abedi ene ye ho abedi ti na return me bene ye ho abedi be Saidu Abubakar ene ye full training ade ya mahyehyɛ nsa na dia ma no Saidu Abubakar ene o ye full training ade Asante Kotoko but Prince Opoku Agyeman de ye hu no the Saidu Abubakar de ene obai entini Asante Kotoko training report no ye de ehun sam etima de enso etimi ade amamu no maka cho so YouTube no ana hu so mo ebo friendly game no yes YouTube ebo friendly game no entino se na etino no sapi yenko yes it's okay yenko si YouTube no hu se omo so A20 club no St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School ba so mo de ba eni si wo no entino ba Kotoko training grounds wa full reports full update no yetimi edi amamu no exclusively ahaya na unsa beka no amani de enso etima cause on to say be so bi no don't forget to subscribe na fe onso wetima share